How to manage channels notifications on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage channels notifications on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and then click this one here, and now click this one, account settings, and now click this one, notifications, and then click this one. And as you see here, you can turn off or on any channel notifications like this one. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And as you see, that's how many channel notification on Twitch. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.